So the convoy of Vijay has just arrived, and this is in fact the part of the convoy. And yes, you can see the balloons, the red and the yellow balloons of the TVK dressing up all there. And if I can just pan around, inside is the party office where all the winning legislators have been called, and there is going to be a meeting. The big question now is which way will the other parties go? Who is the ones who are going to come forward and support the TVK in forming the government, because they are still about 10 short of the majority of the halfway line of the simple majority. And therefore, the question about who is going to be the party, which are the parties and individuals who are going to come forward and support. If we can just span and show the crowds, these are the supporters who are there. Of course, huge deployment of police everywhere, and all of them celebrating this moment, owning this moment of victory for the TVK here in Tamil Nadu. That is the gate which opens into the party office, and even that is in fact closed for the media. So this is one of those unique moments where even the party office is not open to media or to their supporters, and yet managing such a huge victory just on the face value of this one man whose face was flashed across 233 constituencies to say that he's the one who's contesting in each one of them. And in fact, very interesting victory stories that are coming in. One, of course, is the vanquishing of the debacle of the Chief Minister himself, who had claimed that there will be about 75,000 votes by which he would win. And his party workers had claimed that in Kolattur, and yet he lost by almost 8,000 votes. About 8,000 votes is what V.S. Babu had defeated him, and he is someone who in fact was Pursilvakkam MLA and even had helped Stalin when the constituency of Kolattur was formed, and he was in charge of that secretary. This is the crowds that have gathered everywhere. What is going to happen next? A lot of anticipation all over the road as well. The crowds gathering in big numbers just for a glimpse of the man, and he doesn't even step out of his car or even bring down the window, because that can even lead to law and order issues, is the apprehension. But the big question now, the governor has to arrive and invite the TVK to form the government, Vijay to form the government, and he needs the support of other parties, whether it be the Congress, whether it be the Communist parties, or even some of the allies of the ND alliance. It could be the PMK as well, or even some individuals from the other parties who could move, namely the AIADMK. In Chennai, outside the party office of the TVK, in Neelangarai, with camera person Paul Raj, Uma Sudhir for Decoder.